Hi foodies, welcome to Healthy Lunchbox series episode number 5. In this episode, let's make super healthy and easy to make tomato peas pulao. To make this, let's take a cup of Siraga Samba rice. This is a small grain rice that's rich in fiber, vitamin and minerals. Let's wash and keep it soaked. To a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil and temper with 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 star anise, 1 cardamom, 1 bay leaf, quarter teaspoon of fennel seed, 2 green chilies and quarter cup of finely chopped mint leaves. Saute it very well so that the aroma of the tempering gets deep into your oil. It's time to add in a sliced onion. Saute it well until it turns very light golden. If you want the onions to get sauteed first, you can sprinkle in some salt. Then add in 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it very well until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Here I have taken quarter cup of chopped carrots and quarter cup of green peas. Let's throw in and mix it very well for just 2 minutes. Now let's add in 4 to 5 big tomatoes that slice so thin. Mix it very well. You can also add pureed tomatoes too, but I'm adding sliced tomatoes. Add adequate salt, turmeric for the color and half teaspoon of chili powder for that extra spice and half teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix them very well, put it in simmer and cook it until the tomato turns mushy and oozes oil on the sides. Then it's time to add in a cup of thick coconut milk. This not only adds creaminess and flavor to the pulao but harmoniously balances the tanginess of the tomato. Add in a cup of water too. Mix very well and let it come to a nice boil. It's time to add the soaked rice. This Siraga Samba rice have a distinct aroma and enhance the flavor of any dish. Make sure you have added adequate salt and add it if needed, then cover and pressure cook the pulao for just 2 whistles. Once the pressure goes off, open the cooker, garnish it with cilantro. You can also top it up with some more ghee. Mix very well. Yummy and healthy tomato peas pulao is ready to get packed in your lunchbox. This pulao is a perfect balance of nutrition, flavor, and it's so easy to make. Do try this out. Meet you in another video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.